Hello, stylish queens. Welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Today, we are diving into the world of handbags that boost confidence and trend hands wherever you go. So, dear viewers, how are you? And I hope everyone is too good and pretty fine. So, my dear viewers, please subscribe to my channel for more style inspiration and like, share my video to your family and friends. So, my dear viewers, chic designs, bold shape, glitter glam, and that perfect everyday bag lineup. You see the tote bag magic, a bag so roomy it could properly hold your entire look, perfect for college shopping, trips, or last minute adventure with friends. Go for pastel tone or bold print that match your daily outfit. Elegance of shoulder bags. They rest comfortably, look timeless, and create that classy girl vibe. Choose smooth leather texture or quality design for a luxury finishes. Crossbody fans get excited. These beauties give you hands free power. No more jungling phones, neck and accessory. Chain strap, mini shape, and playful charm help express your personal style. Elevate the evening on the next level. Clutch bags sparkle under light like tiny star in your hand. Metallic shade, rainy stones, pearls, and sleek satin. These are made for parties, wedding, and every magical night. These bags keep their shape and demand respect. Clean line, top handless, bold buckles, and perfect shoes for work or special event. Structured handbag for boss ladies. Time cute mini bags bring adorable personality with big fashion impact. They hold just the essential and make your outfit pop like a fashion icon. Every girl need a bag style handbag too. Trendy, practical, and totally cool. Ideal for campus life and travel diaries. Boho lovers, hello. Woven and crochet handbags create free spirit energy, neutral tones, tasteless round shape, great for picnic, vacation, and sunny day handout. Transparent handbags look futuristic and fun. They show just enough without revealing too much. Pair them with colorful inner pouches. And now little sparkle for festive vibe, glitter handbags and beads bag bring shine from day to night fashion firework. Before we warm up, remember color plays the biggest role. Crystal pink for cute modes, bold red for fierce queens, black for everyday chic, white for fresh elegance. Mix pattern, play with texture, own your style like the star you are. And thanks for joining today's handbag tour. Tell me which style grabbed your heart. Drop your favorite in the comment. Plus, remember, girls, a handbag, it's not just an accessory, it's your little world that travel with you. Match your bag with outfit, shoes, and even nail art for a complete fashion statement. Try switching style each week to discover what truly defines your personality. Layer cute keychain or charm to add a touch of fun to any plain bag. Always choose quality over quantity because a good bag lasts like our loyal friends. Seasonal pick, they are excited floral bags for spring, new to summer, cozy texture for winter. Keep your essential organized so your bag always feel fresh and fabulous. Experiment with unique shape like heart, circle or box mini trunks. Sport local brand, their creative craftsmanship deserve the spotlight. Fashion makes everything possible. Choose the bag that make your smile every single day. Thank you, gorgeous girl, for watching this fabulous handbags collection guide. I hope you found the perfect match for your style today. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the latest fashion trend. Share your favorite handbag style in the comment below. Until next time, stay classy, stay confident and keep shining like the fashion icon you are. Bye.